Okay, so now that your Rambox setup is ready, let's take a look at some tips to reorganize your apps and navigate through your apps faster and quicker. So the first thing I'll demonstrate is that first you can rearrange and change the order of your apps once added. So for example, if I wanted Slack, for example, to be the last app of the column or change its order, I head to it, I tap and click. So I hold click and I can drag it to the position I desire, maybe here, for example. Um, or for example, Dropbox, hit it to the top. The same with workspaces. Maybe if I want my work workspace to be above my personal workspace, I just hold click for some seconds, and I can drag and drop it. Yeah. Um, then you can also move your apps from one workspace to another. So, for example, I go to my work workspace and I want Dropbox to be in the personal one. Right click on it. Um, you go to the arrows button that is move up, click on them, and then you have your workspaces. I will click on personal, it will ask me for confirmation, and it will move Dropbox from my work workspace to my personal workspace. This is cool because maybe you add your apps the first time and no specific order, or maybe you add it to the wrong workspace, so you can rearrange. Then to navigate across your apps, there are some shortcuts that I will demonstrate three of my favorites. For example, Control Control. That takes you to the last used apps. For example, Dropbox. And if I go to, let's say, Slack here, I press Control Control, Slack, Control Control, Slack, Control Control. Real cool. With the control and the numbers, you can also easily access your apps. So, for example, control one would be WhatsApp, because it's the first one in the column. Control three would be Gmail. Control five would be Notion. So, with control and numbers, I can easily find my apps too. And then navigation with arrows, which is Alt, Shift, and your arrows in the keyboard. So you press Alt, Shift, and I can go up, down, then to the left, and select the other workspace down, to the right, and up and down. So it's like playing a game and accessing the apps you desire, which is really good. And lastly, one of my favorites is the quick search function that is there down. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl Shift Space, but with the shortcuts, you can type the name of an app you want to access, for example, WhatsApp, and by clicking it, it's ready to go. Again, Alt Shift, Ctrl Shift Space, you open it. Let's go to, for example, Dropbox. Click it, and it accessing real quick. So it's an easy way to navigate across your apps and find everything you need real easy. So a cool feature across along with the shortcuts I demonstrated. These are the ways I utilize to navigate in Rambox faster for my workflow. In the next video, I'll show you how some settings can be synchronized across different devices with your Rambox account. So let's see you there. Bye bye.